Jimmy from Sri Lanka. I work as an SEO specialist for a German company called Media Metallic. And yeah, to talk about the experience of Digital Vidya, it's starting from June of 2023. I was searching, my goal was to build my brand and also have a career in the space of digital marketing. So I was searching on Google mostly for a course on digital marketing in my local. But for the process, I actually found Digital Vidya and I enrolled on this. I researched about the company and I thought it was a good option with its assets and with its reputation. So I chose to go with Digital Vidya. So throughout the training, as my goal was to build a brand, actually with the trainers and the support, I actually found the module SEO interesting for me. So along the way, I actually chose SEO as a career path. And so far, I've enrolled on that journey, on an SEO journey. And as for today, I've completed the CDMM course. That's my journey.